So now let's save them somewhere. You could save them to anything. I'm just using Google Sheets just to show you how I would do it. So I'll come over here and do sheets.new, and we're going to save the, um, let's go course title, slide title, um, visitor ID, date, and time. So we have all of these things set up. Let's call this demo visitor counter. So imagine if you had a visitor counter for all of your courses. You would have a really long sheet of rows. So, and that's something that I like to do is have one main place. So it's almost like a learning management system or the start of an LMS so that we can create these tracking this tracking mechanism, and we can know what's going on all of our courses because we can filter it out later on. So keep that in mind because we could just have one. So instead of it might be whatever the name of your course is, and then you could open this up to see what's specific on that course, the traction on that course, the progress on that specific course, or you could have something like I'm doing here, where we could have this entire thing with 2 or 3 or 5 or 10 or 15 different courses, and it's saving everything into one sheet. All right, let's go back. We're going to create we're going to add a row. And I'm going to choose my file, demo visitor counter. Perfect. We're going to save this to sheet 1. We'll put in the course title, select this. This is the slide title. This is the visitor ID, the date, and the time. And we're going to save it.